Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I am experimenting with some spa day prompts. I have no idea what I'm going to get, but I'm going to try these prompts in ChatGPT as well as Midjourney and just to see what I get. And of course, like always, every prompt that I use, I will make sure they are in the description box below. Keep in mind the images that I get, you won't get the same images. You'll get a different variation of the images um, because with AI, it doesn't give you the same image. It gives you different images each time you use a prompt. So I'm going to start here in ChatGPT, and I have 5 prompts that I'm going to use, and we're just going to experiment to see what we get. I am using the paid version of ChatGPT as well as the paid version of Midjourney. With ChatGPT, you can just copy and paste the prompt into ChatGPT. But with Midjourney, let me try to get to the right spot here, get to my personal channel. You have to type in / imagine, and then I just click on the / imagine. Um, and then you can copy and paste your prompt in. Right, so I'm just going to have them both going at the same time and see what happens. So here is the first prompt. This is a gorgeous picture. I absolutely love it. She is missing her hand right here. Other than that, love, love, love the prompt. And you can take this prompt. Here's the prompt here. Again, they will be linked in the description box below. You can take the prompt here and you can tweak this prompt. You can change anything about this prompt that you want to change. Make it your own and see what you get if you use the paid version of ChatGPT and Midjourney. Now, I could also more than likely take this prompt over to Bing, and I believe Bing is called Copilot now. Um, it's asking me to sign in, so let me do that. All right, and as far as I know, still, you can't use the Bing images commercially, but it is a good place to start when you are trying to get used to prompting and different things like that. So I'll have this one going as well. Um, I wasn't intending to use Bing, but I just wanted to show you all, or Copilot. I guess I should get used to calling it Copilot. Um, but here are the images. All right, so let's try the next image and see what we get. Oh, we got to check out Midjourney. Right, here's what I got in Midjourney. And I believe I have it, I do, I have it in Niji 6 for Midjourney. Um, they're okay. Um, she's really cute. She looks like she's annoyed though. Oh my goodness. So what I'm gonna do, if you want to change your setting in Midjourney, you can go to / settings and I'm just gonna press enter and it's in the Niji model 6. I'm gonna go down to 5.2 and then I'm gonna try that prompt again in 5.2 to see what I get. And while it's doing that, I'm going to go grab another prompt from my list of prompts. All right, and while I have ChatGPT working on that second prompt, here is what the first prompt looked like when I changed to version 5.2 in Midjourney. Her hands are all messed up. Oh my goodness. Interesting images. Some aspects of the images I like, some not so much. I'm also going to try one more. I'm going to go back up here to settings, and I'm going to try just the regular, I'm going to do the default model V6. I'm not sure if I have Alpha Midjourney. I'm not sure if I have access to it yet. You have to have created at least 1,000 images to have access to Alpha Midjourney. I'll have to check on that at a later time to see if I feel like I've done 1,000 images, but who knows? I'll check on that at a later date. All right, so here is the second prompt from in Chat GPT. All right. It's a nice prompt. It's cute. I like it. And I did bring it over here to Copilot just to see um, what I got. These are really cute images. And the reason I'm showing you Copilot in here as well is because you can use it for free if you don't pay for any AI right now. Right. And I always take my free images, especially the free images, and use them in my planner. All right, so this is Midjourney, just the regular version 6. Okay. I think I like the Niji version the best out of all of them. So these are the Niji images. These are the 5.2 images. And then these are the regular version 6 images. Right. So let's grab that third prompt. Okay, so I went ahead and ran the rest of the 3 prompts that I had. This one is ChatGPT for the third prompt. And for some reason, ChatGPT now is given one image. And when I asked ChatGPT why it was given one image, it said they were focusing on quality over quantity, basically. So here's ChatGPT. Here is Midjourney. And I did do version 6 for Midjourney. And then here, let's see, here's the one for Bing. Okay. And so let's look at the next prompt I did. This is ChatGPT for the fourth prompt. Here's Midjourney for the fourth prompt. Midjourney is an acquired taste, I'll say. Some things I love in Midjourney and some things not so much. And here's Bing. I really want to say Bing is winning. And then for the last prompt, it says produce an animated illustration. And then ChatGPT told me creating animated illustration goes beyond my current capabilities, but I can craft a static image based on your description. And it asked if if I would like it to proceed, and I said yes. And this is what it created. So that's that. And then for Midjourney, here's the last prompt. And these are all again version 6. And then here is the last prompt in Bing or Copilot. And I have to say, I really do like the Bing images better. I'm probably going to be calling it Bing for a while. I got to get used to calling it Copilot. Um, I like the fact that Copilot gives you more images. ChatGPT used to give you 4. I mean, two, I'm sorry. But I like the fact that Copilot gives you 4 images to choose from. Midjourney also gives you 4 images to choose from. I'm going to go back up here to settings and change. I'm going to change it to the Niji model and try that last prompt again in the Niji model. And see what I get. But ChatGPT didn't do too bad. I'm going to take this prompt here where it said it couldn't do animation. And I'm just going to change it to a cartoon illustration. Let's see what it does. It sounds like Midjourney is ready. Right, and here's the images in the Niji 6 version. So, not really impressed with Midjourney for these particular images. So these are cute. These are okay. You can use them for something like, you know, there are some things that you can use these for. Of course, I can't think of anything off the top of my head, but you can definitely take these images and use them. I think these are the best overall, these 4. And these were the first ones from the first prompt I used, and it was the Niji 6 model in Midjourney. All right, let's see if ChatGPT is ready with that image. And here's what we get when I change it to a cartoon illustration. All right, so that's it. I started out wanting to do a comparison between ChatGPT and Midjourney, but I also added Bing/Copilot in there just in case you are not using any of the paid versions of these AI sites. Bing/Copilot is an option for you. And again, as far as I know, I haven't heard anything new about you being able to use the Bing images commercially. As far as I know, you still can't use them commercially. But don't necessarily quote me because, like I said, I haven't been keeping up with the latest news from Microsoft. So, all right. Again, I will make sure that I put all 5 prompts in the description box below for you to experiment with them. Have at it. Do what you do. All right. If you have any questions for me, please place them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.